Creating faceless YouTube videos can feel overwhelming when you're just getting started. There are countless tools out there, all claiming to be the best. But after testing a ton of them, I'm here to share what actually works. These tools can take your videos from basic to brilliant. Stick around because I'll reveal which tool I recently switched to for this video, and trust me, you might not expect it. Hey everyone, welcome back to TubeToWealth. If you're new here, I'm Will, and I'm on a mission to build a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. No experience, no fancy gear, no six-figure YouTube success story. I've never made $1 on YouTube, and until recently, I hadn't even uploaded a single video. But after watching others succeed, I thought, if they can do it, why not me? This channel is where I document every win, every mistake, and everything I learn along the way. Just to be clear, this isn't a paid promotion. These companies don't even know I exist. Most won't touch me as an affiliate until my channel's a bit more established. So everything I'm about to share is based on my 100% real experience. But that doesn't mean I won't be in the future. Fingers crossed. Let me quickly share how I chose these tools. My criteria might not be the same as yours, but here's what mattered most to me. First, beginner-friendly tools. Since I'm new to this, I needed something that makes my life easier. I wanted tools that automate the boring stuff and speed up video creation. No complicated setups, just fast and simple. Second, script-to-video functionality. This one's a game changer. I'm running a faceless channel. I didn't want to spend all my time hunting for clips. So having a tool that automatically assigns visuals to my script saves me hours of work. Third, text-to-speech features. I'm not using my real voice in these videos, so I needed a tool that makes text-to-speech sound natural. What you're hearing right now isn't me. And yes, my voice sounds different because I switched tools for this video. More on that in a minute. Again, that's what mattered most to me. Your criteria might be different, and that's totally okay. Test different tools and find what works for you. Let's start with video editing software. If you're making short-form content like TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you've got to check out CapCut. CapCut is my go-to for short-form videos. It's super easy to use, fast, and totally customizable. It even has built-in stock videos and voice-over options. The only catch is that the script-to-video feature sometimes throws in random clips, so you'll have to tweak those manually. But for the price, it's unbeatable. The free version will get you far, but if you want full control, the Pro plan is only $10 a month. Now, if you want to level up your editing game, check out Vinci Resolve. The software is perfect for high-end visuals and documentary-style content. The free version has almost everything you need. If you want AI enhancements and 3D tools, that's a one-time fee of $295. No subscription, just pay once, and you're set. The quality is on another level. The only thing you need to watch out for is the learning curve. It's steep, but if you're serious about your content, it's totally worth the effort. Looking for something with more customization for long-form content? Adobe Premiere Pro might be the tool for you. Adobe Premiere Pro is the industry standard. It's packed with advanced tools for editing narration-heavy content or deep-dive videos. The downside is the cost. $21 a month for Premiere Pro, or $55 if you want the full Adobe suite. If you're serious about editing, it's worth the investment. But honestly, Vinci Resolve offers a lot of the same features for free. For Mac users, Final Cut Pro might be your best option. Final Cut Pro runs super smooth on Mac OS and has some of the best color grading tools out there. Plus, it's a one-time purchase of $300. No monthly fees. If you're into tutorials or polished documentary-style videos, you'll love how clean and professional your content looks. The only downside is that it doesn't have as many collaboration features compared to Adobe Premiere. But if you're a solo creator, this won't be an issue. Now, let's talk about AI-powered tools, starting with KapWing. KapWing is the tool I used to create this video, and wow, it's impressive. The built-in text-to-speech explains why my voice sounds a little different today. The script-to-video feature is almost as good as Pictory, and the editing tools are surprisingly powerful. Honestly, it feels like having an entire editing team in one tool. And the best part, it's only $16 a month for the Pro plan. Affordable and super easy to use. It's quickly becoming one of my top tools. If you're running a blog-to-video channel, Pictory might be the tool for you. Pictory is a powerhouse for converting long text into engaging videos. It's great for educational content, listicles, or anything related to finance and tech. The AI automatically selects relevant visuals for your script, which saves you hours of editing. The voiceover feature is great, but if you can, use a custom voice for a more natural feel. InVideo is another AI tool that surprised me. InVideo is one of the easiest tools I've tried. It automatically adds pauses and titles between sections, making your video feel structured and professional. The pre-built templates are a lifesaver for beginners. The downside is that the $25 monthly plus plan burns through credits quickly. You'll want the $60 max plan for unlimited templates and premium exports. This tool is perfect for social media marketers and product demos. For intros and animations, RenderForest is a solid choice. RenderForest has an extensive library of professionally designed templates for intros, logo reveals, and lower thirds. The free version has watermarks, but paid plans start at $9.99 a month. It's ideal for branding your content and making it look polished. Need stock footage? My top pick is Pexels. Pexels is completely free for both personal and commercial use. It's perfect for lifestyle, travel, and aesthetic content. The footage is beautifully shot, but the selection is smaller compared to paid services. Still, for free, it's hard to beat. Storyblocks is a fantastic option. Storyblocks offers unlimited downloads of stock footage, images, and music for $29 a month. It's a favorite among pro creators because of its easy licensing and huge collection. Just keep in mind that some clips can feel overused. So after testing all these tools, here's my conclusion. Pictory is still my favorite all-in-one solution for speed and scene assignment. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and incredibly efficient. However, KapWing is quickly becoming a close second. If you want to get serious about editing, check out Vinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Pro. CapCut is unbeatable for short-form content, and RenderForest is perfect for intros and animations. Ultimately, the best tool depends on your content style and workflow. Try the free trials, experiment, and see what works for you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to TubeToWealth. Drop a comment below and tell me which tool you're excited to try or if there's one I missed. See you in the next video.